welcome back to Skynet One. I hope you guys are doing great. I just wanted to put out a gold analysis today, which I have traded on my system for a time now, and it seems everything's going fine. I was able to create an indicator, as you can see here. It is actually guiding me, not as assuming giving me 100% accuracy, but it is accurately giving me precise shots uh, trade levels that I need to take. And we have news on the markets within some hours time, which I can't tell what news it is. Yes, but for my prediction or for my analysis, this area is the support. Okay, so yeah, so this is the news for today. On the 9th, we have 12:30 of the GDP growth of America and the rest. Yeah, so that's just by the way. Straight to some news that we have. Today's prediction is going to be on mostly a long position from here. So if you have taken a long position, then we have to this side. Okay, so we're expecting some buys in gold today, and so some interesting capacity that we have today. Okay, so yeah, that just by the way, you should expecting much of analysis very soon. Okay, so should buying gold from this area, this where I took my entry, and it's going in profitable mode, and I'll be expecting much better entries coming up in the few days. Tomorrow is Friday, so you shouldn't expect much news from the market. And since I'm targeting a price of 5,107, let's hope it goes to that place. And there's a reason why I chose the daily time, because the daily time frame gives you a better view of what is actually happening. Okay, so from this trend you can see that we have the target that is from this side. Okay, so the other block here is our entry point, and the ratio you can see is almost 7.23 reward ratio, which is very high, very high, based on the entry that we started from, and also what we are gaining so far. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to talk all about this indicator. I credit is a custom indicator that I created, so it is not for anyone, and no one has access to it. Okay, so in the coming days I'll give more info about it, and probably share to you guys on how it works. Okay, so yes, it has a high to reward ratio, which is calculated, then it gives out the perfect entry. Okay, so this is our gold forecast today, and I hope to see you guys very soon after next week on this. Have a nice day and keep watching Skynet One. Better things are coming soon.